here with Isabella and Ming. We're gonna do a Matterport shoot.
Hello. God is watching over. Come on in. Everything is okay. How's it look, babe?
Looks good. I'm sorry, we're gonna start on the 3rd floor.
Should we take the elevator up?
I think we'll go up. Oh yeah, she's not kidding, there is an elevator in this house.
We gotta come 2 separate days to work on it.
Yeah. Oh, that's the elevator?
Oh, it's locked.
Yeah. Oh, you have to press a button for it to come up.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so what do you want to start? I guess we'll turn on all the lights first?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's start the place. Should I just put this up?
Yeah.
I think so.
Why are you running back and forth?
I have to take the picture, and I have to hide from the picture, come back and then move it. I gotta make sure that everything is lined up properly.
Yeah, so this is a house tour, 3D Matterport shoot. Ming is going to every corner to capture, and then this app here will actually capture all the images and combine it. It's like a Google Street View kind of thing.
But inside a home.
So now we're hiding in the bedroom while that shot has been taken.
Yep.
Where are you, Ming?
Yeah, we're now on the 2nd floor.
This is one of the main bedrooms. Elevator, office. Check out this walk-in closet though.
I know.
Wow. Hey, this is like that $800 bedroom in John Barr's video.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It's bigger if you take out the closets.
It's bigger.
My goodness. The battery is good. Here's a living room space. Here is a very grand kitchen. And here is a dining room. Hello.
Hello.
We're now in a very impressive mechanical room.
Is this the boiler room?
Yeah. And this is the basement level. So in the basement, there's a entertainment area. Oh wow. This could be a living room on its own. On this side is a spacious dining room. This is the elevator door. Here we have a laundry room. Very sizable laundry room. And then a great size bathroom as well.
It's so huge.
It is. It's high ceiling.
Yeah.
It's a whole separate apartment.
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah. There's a TV in every bathroom.
We have 28%. It's gonna take up
Yeah.
the whole battery.
I think you just need one more shot in the mechanical room.
Oh, yeah. Two shots.
2 shots, okay.
Yeah, we check it over.
So Ming is officially the Matterport 3D tour expert.
Yes. 27%.
Can we make it?
Yeah, we can make it. That's high. It'll last. Is that gonna be
So we're wondering what that hole was. There's one on every floor, and now we realize that it's for laundry.
Yeah, the laundry machines are right here.
And you just do it right here.
So convenient.
That is cool. This is a basement shower. Look how nice it is.
Yeah.
A basement shower.
It's huge. It's bigger than your shower. Just kidding.
Actually, same size.
Yeah. I think I got everything.
It's uploading? Well, it's a wrap.
1%.
Good job.
Then taking pictures of the flowers. Good. That's a wrap.
That's it. Hope you enjoyed. That, no, is it the house? Yeah, that's the house right there.
We finished
Yep.
all 3 floors plus the basement.
4 floors.
So 4 floors, okay.
In this beautiful home in Queens.
Yes.
Guess how much it is? I think I told you, didn't I?
2 million?
2.18 million.
Oh shoot. I want those walk-in closets. Yeah.
Those are rooms.
I want a walk-in closet in my dream home.
Yeah, so nice. Just throw your laundry down the chute.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Alright, hope you enjoyed. And see you on the next one.